Hi, David here with Tough Tractors. This is an Iseki TU1700. This is a 22 horsepower, 3-cylinder diesel. Really nice tractor. This got power steering on it, believe it or not. Look pretty good. It's the paint on it's not the best in the world. You can see on the hood it's little, not really scratched up, but just kind of rubbed off. Tires in good shape, front and rear. It's got a high and low gear and 6 speeds, and actually 2 reverses also, which is kind of cool. But what's kind of nice on this, it's not that difficult to change the gears. It's got a little button that goes across and tells you what gear you're in, so you're not figuring out, okay, in my first, second, third, whatever. It's got a little indicator there. It's got a brand new seat on it. It's got low hours. It's got 548 hours on it, which is pretty typical in these tractors that I get. It's got a brand new loader. It's got a 4-foot bucket on it. This will lift about 800 pounds, about 7.5 feet in the air. You see he's got the headlights in pretty decent shape, actually. Nice little tractor. It's good, probably 6, 7, 8 acres, something like that. Especially if you have horse stalls, you want to go in, you want to clean them out. You can put our J-bar box scraper on it. It's got 3-point hitch, standard PTO. You can put one of our used tillers on it. We've got post hole diggers, we've got brush hogs that'll fit this, and they're pretty standard. You want to go rent a post hole digger, you want to rent something at your local rental place or Home Depot, it's standard. It'll fit this. Nice tractor overall. Go ahead and start it up. You hear it's pretty smooth. It sounds really nice. They call it a compact tractor, but listen to that engine. It's a nice, top-notch, hard-working machine. That's why we call them tough tractors. Anyhow, this is a Iseki. By the way, Iseki makes the engines for Bollins and Massey Ferguson. You want parts for this tractor, they're easy to get online. There's a couple places that I use online. You can get whatever. You can get water pumps. I normally don't need to get stuff like that because the tractors that I get are typically what they call A-grade tractors, so I don't have those issues. But I get all my filters, the fuel filters, air filters, oil filters. I get them all from the same place online, so that's not an issue. And as you know, I deal with I like Isekis, I like Yanmars and Mitsubishis. Those are the top 3 I deal with. and it's because of that reason. You can get any of these parts without any problem at all. Anyhow, again, Iseki TU1700 3-cylinder diesel. If you have any questions, you want to go to my website to see what we have, the different tractors, the implements. You know, I've got used tillers, and I have new rotary clippers, brush hogs, augers, post hole diggers, box scrapers, whole bunch of other stuff. So if you want to go to my website, it's ToughTractors.com, TOUGH Tractors.com.